Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by sketching simple shapes to find mom's pose and balance. Use an oval for the head, a larger oval for the torso, and a smaller one for the hips. These anchor proportions. Once done, draw a faint centerline down the face to set direction and mark joints, shoulder, elbow, hip, knee, so limbs read naturally. Make sure to choose the view, frontal or three-quarter, early. It changes how features and clothing wrap around forms and avoids major corrections later. Next, you refine the basic shapes into recognizable forms. Start with the face. Map the brow line, eye line, nose, and mouth so features align with the center line. This ensures likeness. Then develop hair by drawing mass around the skull and suggesting direction with a few confident strokes. This makes hair read believable. Once done, place clothing over the anatomy, remembering folds occur where fabric bends. These cues sell weight and motion and help your mom look alive. To finish, you clean up and add decisive details that create character. Vary line weight, thicker on outer contours, thinner on inner details, to guide the eye. Emphasize the jawline, hands, or fabric edges where needed. Include small identifiers like a necklace, a smile line, or a hair clip to personalize her. Make sure to step back and compare proportions if something looks off. Erase selectively and remeasure using your head-to-body ratio. This
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.